Hello everyone! Today I will show you guys how to create this animation step by step in Blender 5.0 using add-ons like Blender Kit and Grasswall. First, we are going to start with the road. Add a plane and scale it up. Now we are going to add a curve so we can give the road a nice path. Go to edit mode and start extruding the vertex to make the path in which the car will pass by. Once we have this done, press F to join the vertex and you have your road path. Now we are going to deform the road in the curve. Search for a curve modifier and apply the Bezier you have just created. For the road to curve in the Bezier, we will subdivide it and give it some cuts. The road still looks low, so to fix that, press Ctrl 1 to apply a subdivision surface. Now that the road is ready, we will add the car. Search for the car on Blender Kit and download the one you liked the most. If you don't have Blender Kit yet, go ahead and download the add-in. It's free. In my case, I will add this car. Once you add your favorite car, you need to join the separate parts. Press Ctrl J to do it and you will get something like this. To fix the wheel mirror, go to Edit mode and select it. Then, separate it by selection. You will get something like this. Now press Alt-D to duplicate it and adjust it until it looks good. Now, our car looks good. Select all and let the big part. Press Ctrl-P to make apparent and select it with Keep Transform. Make sure that your car is nicely aligned with the road. Select the big part of the car in the curve, then press Ctrl-P and select Follow Path. And your car is following the road. Go to the first frame and adjust the car until it gets aligned with the road. If your car goes too fast, adjust the frame rate on the path animation until it looks good. Now we will start to animate the camera. Press Shift-Alt-0 to move the camera at the exact position where you are. Start to play with the camera and make sure that the car needs to be always at the center. We will add some rotation keyframes to simulate the air rush of the car passing by. Make sure to have this thing on so that when you move the camera, it will save that move as a keyframe. We will add some details so the camera will follow the car. Finally, we have finished the first scene camera animation. Press K to add a keyframe on all transforms and add another on the next frame so the camera will go constant to the other position. It should look some way like this. Now we will start with the second scene. Move the camera to the next position so that it can follow the car. Adjust it until it looks good, and finally we got these two beautiful scenes completed. I will add this camera rotation at the end of the second scene. Finally, add some rotation on the wheel, and remember that the only thing that matters is what the camera sees. Now that we have the wheel animation, we will go to the next scene. Our camera will be right here. Why not? We will adjust it until it looks nice, and we will follow the car. Add some rotation and location keyframes, and after all that we have this scene. I will make other scenes and show you how it works. This is how it looks. I like this, so I will live the camera like that. Make sure to put the car in the center of the camera, and this is the result. Now, I will show you how I put the materials. First, start searching for a HDRI on Blender Kit. Download a realistic one that you like. Take into account that this is the only light source that will appear on this project. Here is the sampling info if you need it. I use 20 samples per frame. Denoise with OpX Albedo and Norma and Activate Motion Blur and Simplify, and of course rendered in Cycles GPU Compute. So, let's go to the material mode to see what can we do. Let's search for a road material and apply it to the road. This one looks nice, so let's apply it. To fix this, open the UV editor and put the material correctly. Make sure to be in edit mode. As always, adjust it until it looks good. And now we have the road material ready. Now we are going to do the floor, add a plane, put it in the middle, and scale it up. First, we are going to put some assets to the scene. So open Blender Kit and search for lamps, rocks, and all kind of road stuff. Now, I had ordered the models, and here is how it looks. So, seeing this animation, we are almost done. Also, I will add some mountains to the scene. We will put some more models until all the camera area is covered. And finally, the last thing that is missing is the floor. So let's put grass into it. Go to edit mode, subdivide the plane quite times, and select the road. Press Shift Z and select the outside. Let some spaces around the road. It should look like this. Then separate that thing that you had selected. Select all the faces and press X, and select Limited Dissolve. You should have something like this. Press N, go to Graswald Adden, and add grass to that plane. Once you add the grass to your scene, the last thing you need to do is to select a folder in which you will save the frames. Once you render the animation, the folder will be full of frames. Open a new project. Go to File, New, and click on Video Editing. You will see this. Tap Shift A and add an image sequence. Select all the folder with the letter A and import them into Blender. Adjust the end until your animation is all inside. And finally, you can render the animation after putting the folder output. So this is all. Thank you so much for your attention. Follow if you want more tutorials like this. And hope you like it. See you next time.